right, so LED halo rings in your fog lights. Basically, just take them apart, throw them in the oven for about 8 minutes on 250 degrees, pry them apart with a screwdriver, clean all that old adhesive out of the channel, drill a little hole on top to run my wires through after I depin the connector, and they come with a double-sided adhesive on the back. I just reinforced it with a little bit of hot glue. It's on there really, really good. And then I'll go back through in the channel and make sure that I put some decent clear silicone all the way around to seal this light up. But you can see the wires a little bit here, but looking dead on at the light, you cannot tell that the wires are there, you know. And here's the other one that I did right here. This one actually came out a whole lot better. So again, I'm gonna go back, make sure I seal everything up really, really good, and these should be good to go. So there you go. Only thing left to do is, like I said, put the covers back on. All the lights are working. Just make sure you put a little bit of dielectric grease on each one of the connectors. Just ensures that they don't corrode and keep that waterproof seal. But yeah, like I said, these are ready to go. All of the lights are working. So here's the silicone that I'm going to use. I'll probably cut a nice fine tip on it. Then I'm going to go all the way around in this channel. Make sure I get a nice amount in there, and then clamp it down with one of these. It says it'll be ready and waterproof in 30 minutes, but I'll probably give it 24 hours. I got a nice even bead going around both lights. I'm probably going to touch it with a little bit of heat and then drop the cover on. I've done multiple lights this way and haven't had any issues with leaks. So there you go. Again, this sealant recommends 30 minutes. I'm going to give it about a day. Make sure you use a decent amount so that way you get a nice good squeeze when you put the cover back on. And you shouldn't have any issues with leaks after that. So hope this helps somebody. If so, go ahead and give this video a like. For this product,